The Diode Dynamics and KÜAT DEK Rooftop Platform throws a ton of light down the trail, no matter which integrated lighting solution you went with. However, as soon as you park and begin setting up camp, you're in the dark. And that's exactly what this fixes. This is the new DEK Scene Light Kit, utilizing 4 Stage Series dual color rock lights and your choice of white and amber or white and red output. Real quick, for those not familiar with the DEK, this is the rooftop platform from Kuat, who we've partnered with to offer integrated lighting options from the start. This platform is all metal, low profile, and has multiple direct mounting and universal options, so it fits a pretty wide range of vehicles. The crossbars adjust so you can clear your antenna or sunroof, and it has T-channels down both sides for mounting whatever gear you're hauling. 300 pounds of dynamic, 1,000 static, and it's covered under our limited lifetime warranty. The best part, the lighting isn't just an accessory we slapped on it, it's built into the rack. Every Diode Dynamics KÜAT DEK comes with an integrated light bar. Either the SS5 crosslink, that's 7 or 8 SS5 pods linked into one bar, or our Stage Series 40-inch or 50-inch light bar in white or dual color output. Both options have integrated backlights and use our TIR optics, not reflectors, which means the light's going exactly where you want it instead of scattering all over the place. Now that front integrated light bar is doing exactly what it's intended to do, light the trail ahead at speed. But it's not a camp light. We need light around the vehicle, and there hasn't been a purpose-built solution. Until now, the new DEK Scene Light Kit fixes this. This new DEK Scene Light Kit features 4 Stage Series dual color rock lights, and the whole thing is purpose-built for the DEK. Take a look at this bracket. Powder-coated bent sheet metal, sits low and bolts right to the top of the rail, so you're not pulling the rack off to install these. They're angled on purpose too. This points the output out and down, so you're getting real coverage around the vehicle instead of one bright spot on the ground. With our dual color rock lights, you can choose between white and amber output or white and red output. Use the white light when you need to actually see, setting up, loading gear, or working on something. Then flip to amber or red when you need usable low light. Because there's a big difference between wanting light and wanting to floodlight your entire campsite at midnight. If you go with the white and red Scene Light Kit, that option includes a set of our interchangeable amber lenses too, so you can swap them out yourself, resulting in a red or amber output. You're really getting 2 setups out of 1. Breaking down camp, digging through a bin for something, use white for full output. Sitting around after dinner, switch to amber or red and keep your night vision. That's it. Not just about being bright, it's about being the right kind of light for what you're actually doing. And honestly, this is what we were going for with the DEK from the start. It's more than just a roof rack, it's a lighting platform. We've got our light bar up front to light the trail ahead, the all-new Scene Light Kit to illuminate around the vehicle, all bolting to the same system. The DEK Scene Light Kit is now available at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Looking to take your build even further? Be sure to check out the D-Switch for in-cab and wireless control of everything. Grouping, dimming, patterns, all of it managed from one solid-state panel. Now, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products our team is bringing to the market, like the all-new DEK Scene Light Kit, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Thanks for watching.